Fleur Mercier. Amazing. Translucent, medium deep. Look at it. Oh my god. That's so amazing. Okay, let's use it. We are going to do some baking. Bake. So I'm going through a transition right now. And you know, transitions are like always like really, really hard. So I think I do pretty good with them. I like try to stay positive no matter what. And you have to just kind of like expect the unexpected. And I'm really, really good at that. Like I always try to tell people like, it's not to be negative, but like to expect. I always try to tell people like, it's not to be negative, but you have to expect the unexpected. Like high expectations lead to disappointments. And I've learned that in my life. Like if you expect a high expectation from someone, you are going to disappoint yourself. So a lot of people look at that as like a negative thing, but I just think it's like a protector, like a shield, if you know what I mean. Like after this, I'm about to eat. I'm doing a mukbang, and I can't wait to eat with you guys. I'm starting to love those, so yeah, mukbang coming soon. And today we are eating Caribbean food, my favorite. So you young men, if you want to take me on a date, get me some Caribbean food. And I might love you forever. Depends on how the date goes, you know, like sometimes, you know, the date don't be dating. I also just want to say, like, I do a lot of these matte sprays with this finishing mini matte, but this fucking this NYX spray is literally amazing. It is affordable and it keeps everything intact. I think I'm supposed to do this. I think guys, am I right? Like, just kidding. Yeah, I'm not doing eyeshadows, so you definitely want to get the eyelids. Definitely want to get the eyelids. That's dry. I'm like listening to Lil Wayne this morning, and I'm like, oh my god, these songs are so good. Like, I mean, we already knew that though. We already knew Lil Wayne was like the GOAT, like one of the GOATs. Like, come on, don't forget. Don't ever freaking forget. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this, just because I want like a bright under eye. But not too much, because sometimes you look like a ghost if you put like too much, so you want to be careful. And then we're gonna take our beauty blender and we're gonna blend. I had to like, you know, relapse and, you know, take a couple L's, you know, to take some W's. But like, just living by myself, like living by yourself sucks. Like I struggled with that, and I was like, oh my god, I hate this. Like I hate it here. Like, it just sucked after a while. Like I used to come home and I used to be like, hey house, like, and then like I went through another phase where I cut like a lot of my friends off from my childhood because we are not the same. And that is okay. You know, you outgrow people, and that means you're growing as a person. Like, you know, sometimes we keep the same people in our lives, and sometimes we outgrow them, and I outgrew them, and I'm okay with that. Majority of the people that I don't talk to anymore, I cut them off. It's safe to say. Not saying it, you know, it was a growth thing for me, and you know, I realized that some people don't get to come, And not everybody gets to come with you, you know what I mean? They want to be on your journey, and then when you excel. And I've learned again, like, there's no friends in business, you know? So no friends, just do what you do, fake it till you fucking make it, and we are going to be great. Like, we are going to be remembered. We are going to do really, 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 really good things. And I can't wait for you guys to come on this journey with me. This is why I am doing YouTube now, because I love to talk to my phone, because to talk to people who are jealous and you know, look at me as competition and not as love and care and a successful being and somebody to do business with, you know? Like, I don't want to compete with y'all. I want to love on y'all. I want to take everybody with me like I can, but I've noticed, and and that's what I always say, like, if you're good to me, I'm gonna take you with me. And I'm always like, oh my gosh, Lord, tell me, like, who are these people? Like, who are they? Like, do these people get to come? And yo, it's so fast how it happened. Like, you ask for something and Lord be delivering, okay? Like, you want to take who with who? And they tell me right away, like, leave them right there. That person is, And I'd be like, oh my God, it's kind of scary, because I'm like, God damn, like, you couldn't postpone it. Like, damn, you couldn't postpone it. Like, oh my God, like, damn, I was having such a ball. Like, they are not part of the story. And that's okay to blush. Just doing a little bit. Honestly, I wanted to go for like a very, very natural look, but you know, as I was saying, the Lord be telling me, like, yo, nah, like, and I always do that. Like, I pray so hard. I be like, oh my gosh, please tell me who these people are. Like, who am I getting involved with? Like, I like for people to show me who they are. I don't like to go off what other people are saying. That's why I be like, don't include me into y'all little bullshit. And sometimes people do be warning you and they be right, but I just like to find out on my own. Make my own judgments. I don't pick sides, you feel me? Like, I like to chill, because everybody gets a different version of everybody. You know, you get a different version of a person. Everybody gets a different version of me. You feel me? Somebody might say, yo, she is lovely. She is such a sweetheart. She's adorable. She's so like, and somebody might be like, and that's perfectly okay, you know? Like, that's perfectly okay. That's perfectly okay. So, and this is the final look. I think I'm gonna do one little